Today, we got a decent Casio to unbox. So, let's get it out of the package. Straight out of the box, it's the user's manual which tells you the watch's features. And here is the beauty we are digging for. It's in navy blue stripe matching to the face. The face is highlighted with white number and dials. Just in case you are interested in buying one, this is its model number. The body is 49mm by 45mm and 10.3mm thick. It weighs 70 grams. Water resistance up to 50 meters. With 3 years battery life, the watch's face is well protected by mineral glass framed and rounded, metallic casing, stainless steel. I
don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in